install any software for this especially. So it will work if instantly when you will plug. So video call hota hai multifunctional, and this is a CASE U protection. Okay, specifications are glass lens, auto image optimization, prepared for tripod mount, okay, drop resistance and reinforced, double quality tested, cable length 1.2 meter, full HD 1080 pixel, privacy shutter means when you have to close the camera during a meeting or anything during playing, then you can just you can just close this. You can just close this and it will close. This is called privacy shutter. Okay, privacy shutter. Okay, where it is? Privacy shutter. Hood covered, auto adjusting, saturation, contrast, white balance, exposure, 360 viewing angle. Okay, you can rotate it in 360 degree, 30 frames per second, and built-in microphone. Okay, USB 2.0 interface. Okay, now it's time to open it out. See how it is packed. Where to open this? This is webcam. This is webcam, and this is I think user manual. A lot of things, information will be given in this. Is given in this manual. You can read it, and you can read it and just open. These are things written. Okay, this is, you just open this camera. Okay, this is a fish, very good and very new, no? New camera. This is CASE U company. This is privacy thing. Here it is. Yes. This is a stand, I think. Stand, 1.2 meter cable, and this is camera. Just like you can insert on your PC, and this will work out.
Now I have inserted this camera on my PC desktop. See how this clarity. I think you will never find this much clarity in any type of webcam. I think so. I have never found till now. This is very clear, and see how my friends are looking very clear. Those who look dusty in normal days.